Elizabeth with Prairie Piccolos Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul from you, and this is actually a collective haul from a couple of different stores. I just put everything together and decided to put it in one haul because they were rather small hauls. So the first item is this adorable Be Happy lantern with the LED light. I just absolutely love it. I love the honeycomb effect and I love the bees. I think it's really, really pretty. And I also got these flip-flops to go with them as well. Be positive. So those are my two bee items. And I do actually have a collab that I am part of that has something to do with flip-flops. So those might come in handy for that. I got this really cute, I don't know why, I have so many decorations and things for the wall, but it was a fish and I love the pretty colors, and I said, you know what, we have so many fish tanks, I thought this might be funny to put on the wall, maybe over one of the fish tanks or something like that, but we will definitely find a use for this guy. But I thought he was really cute, it's kind of unique, so I got that. Now I found some new butterfly stickers. These are beautiful. I'm gonna fold it as I show you. Look how pretty these are. I noticed with Dollar Tree for the longest time they were putting these out where they were double-sided, and that's awesome. It was a great deal, especially with the $1.25 to get the double-sided. Now it looks like a lot of them are single-sided, so definitely turn them over because there were a couple of adorable prints that I would have got, and I said, you know what, one sheet for $1.25. It's only a few stickers on there, so I didn't think it was worth it. So definitely turn them over, especially if you're expecting to have both sides with the stickers. It's just something to keep in mind. So I got a lot of items from the Shore Living set. I did get all of the stickers, but they actually are in a bag somewhere, but they're actually in a different bag. So I'll show those in a separate haul, but I got this ribbon, and as you can see, these next craft items that I'm going to show you, I've already opened and used. So, so there's that one right there. And then I love this one. It's so, and I love this one. It's so pretty with the shells. And here we go. Now we can see the starfish really well too. The starfish. I have another one with lighthouses. I don't know why the camera's doing that. There we go. Too much to focus on. I have another one with lighthouses, but again, that is in the bag with the stickers. So I also got, like I said, they're open, the little turtles. The little wooden cutout turtles, how cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And they had dolphins. I think they had a couple other as well, a couple other different animals, but I got dolphins, the turtles, and I think, oh yeah, and the shells. So I grabbed those. I love the new Shore Living set. I love everything in the new Shore Living line. So pretty, so nice. So sailboats, and these are the little clothespins. And I got the starfish clothespins and the seahorse clothespins. So that's it for the items from the Shore Living line in this haul. But like I said, in my next haul, I'll have some more items because they're in a different bag in a different place. So now I got some new labels. I got a bunch of different prints actually. I got these for mailing, friend mail, and for mailing giveaways, but also to use in journaling. I think they're perfect for that. I love these. I love how retro they look. Perfect for a planner or even a junk journal or scrapbook. So, and then this one is a colorful version of that. I got these party bags right here, the loot bags. I love this print, 25 bags. So there was a gold print, and I also got the silver print. So basically the rest of these items are pretty much going to be crafting items because I've been doing a lot of crafts lately and I have so many crafting ideas right now. So these are awesome. Look at these chalkboard stickers. I got a couple packs of these because I thought this was an awesome deal. Perfect again, journals, scrapbooks, or even for labeling if you want to label your totes and things like that, label your spices. I just thought these had such a nice look to them. And then I picked up a couple of these expandable folders from Jot, the expandable file folder. I love the color, and I love the fact that it has, you know, the different tabs in it. This is gonna be to store Gianni's art, because he loves to do art on pieces of paper. He loves printer paper. Even though we have tons of little books and journals, he always goes for the printer paper, so. And this is beautiful. Look at this, how pretty this is. This list pad with 60 sheets, dreams and wishes. So nice. So I got that. I thought this journal from Crown Jewels was just beautiful. I actually got a couple of these. When you look inside, it just has the small, it has this, the flower and the lines. And then it says, hello sunshine. How cute is that? Perfect for summer. I found this journal today. I love this one. I just love the look. Really, really cool. This one, I believe, yeah, this one just says notes. So just very, very classic journal. I got, these are a repeat buy, notebook with the bees. I love this one. And also have the Busy Bee one. Love it. Oh, you can see my reflection too. But yeah, and this one has the little tiny bees in it. So super cute. This journal I have not seen before. I think it's gorgeous. So pretty. And then when you turn it over, it's black and white. So you get the gold and the black and white. It has flowers. Very, very nice. So I love that. So I got those journals, and like I said, I did get multiples of them. So now I have some stickers and some children's books to share with you. So Goldilocks and the Three Bears, little bend-in books. These are cute. And there's the back. They actually had a Three Little Pigs one that Gianni grabbed. I think I have another one in the car in a different bag that I'm going to show in a different haul. But yeah, these books are so adorable. I love the art in them. And like, I love this. This is perfect for if you wanted to use it for a junk journal or scrapbook to add different things to it. So if you wanted to like add on to it, use it for a journal, a junk journal, something like that. That is just such a cool print. Then I found Alice in Wonderland. This is actually a hardcover. So these two are hardcovers. This kind of looks like the classic art from the actual Disney movie, so that's really cool to find. This one is bend-in as well. Now this one I found, this is kind of cool. I'm bummed out though because this is like bent. I got two of these, but I'm gonna try to fix this because I was thinking of donating or using it for a project. But so this was originally $3.99. The Walmart tag shows $3.78. It's just such a cute little book though. Cute art in it, so I was really excited about that because I thought that would be perfect for crafting too. And I got two of them, so one is definitely going to be for Gianni, and then one I might use, oh yeah, Help and Forgiveness. I grabbed this for Gianni. God's Little Zoo. I thought this was so cute. I actually forgot this was in here, but 2 stories in 1 book. How cute is this little book? So grabbed that. Oh, look at the bunny. Oh, and it's about forgiveness. So that's really cute. And next are some stickers. And then stay tuned to the end of the video because I have an announcement. So I have some stickers. These I actually got, believe it or not, like 4 of each one because I wanted to have them for friend mail, for crafting, maybe even a giveaway. But so yeah, so I got that print right there. They did have ones that were similar to this, or they might even had some of these exact prints last year that I got, but I figured they're so perfect for so many different crafting options that I wanted to get 4 of each one. So there's this one right here. And there's one more print, which I love this one with the clock. So that is the last item in today's Dollar Tree haul. I know it was a little all over the place. It started off with some summer products, and then we went straight on into a ton of different journaling and crafting items. And guys, I do have an announcement to make. I'm going to be making it in my next Dollar Tree haul. I am super excited. There's a project that I've been working on, trying to get everything figured out and put together, but yeah, you definitely do not want to miss this one. I'm so excited to share it with you. So definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on that. And I do have 2 giveaways coming up for 2 different collabs that I'm going to be a part of. And I'm almost at 400 subscribers, so there will be a giveaway for that as well. So definitely make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.